What's up, guys? Today we're coming back at you with a brand new video. We are on the DRZ 400 Supermoto, the big wheelie bike, the Torta. And it's a little rainy out, so we're probably going to spin the back tire when we try to do our wheelies. And we won't be able to go too crazy around the turns, but it should be a really fun ride we have planned out today. Just doing some shenanigans in the neighborhoods. And if you guys end up liking this video, be sure to leave a like, a comment, or a subscription. Any of those are greatly appreciated. But if you don't want to do any of those, you don't got to. Your view is greatly appreciated enough. And with that, that was a whole lot of spinning on the back tire before it could pick it up. It did pick it up though. Just loves picking that wheel up. It's so much fun. See if we can spin the tire. A little wet, I'll try. These tires too much. They think 300 a piece for these ones. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't making my tires. He can do it. Either the tires are just way too bald, which I don't think they're that bald, they're not that old, but they're either bald tires a little, or it's just because it's this wet out, which is what I imagine it is. Like it's just fun around that curve. Whenever I try to spin it, it does a wheelie. Alright, right on this grass it just spins here. Just picked it up perfect. It's a very rivery river. Actually, before we leave here, I'm gonna try a new video setting, and you guys gotta let me know if you like the one I'm using after, or the one I've always used, and the one like you're seeing right now. So we're gonna change that quick and then finish this ride up. Okay, now this is the new view I have. It's a little bit wider, so it'll make things look a little bit slower and not as crazy, but you know, you'll be able to see a lot more. First things first, we go prepare. Guys, on that note, we are going to be ending off this video. I hope you enjoyed. We didn't explore anything cool, but we just had some fun, did some shenanigans, some wheelies and all of that. If you've enjoyed, a like, a comment, a subscription is greatly appreciated, but by no means needed. Your view is greatly appreciated enough. It's just nice because it helps the video see more eyes. And yeah guys, that's going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching. We'll give you one more clip here.